Good day everyone, I am Mary Jane Tano, and in this video, I will be discuss what makes global cities livable and Japanese Mori Foundation's Global Power City Index. But first, let's determine what is a global city. A global city is a metropolitan area that plays a significant role in the global economic, cultural, and political landscape. These cities host major financial institutions, multinational corporations, and stock exchanges, making them key players in the global economy. For example, New York, London, Tokyo are the major financial centers, attracting investments and business from around the world. First and foremost, economic opportunities. One of the key factors why global cities are considered livable is the ability to provide jobs that pay an adequate amount. People have access to apply for a well-paying jobs. Employees have the opportunity to afford their basic needs and improve their lifestyle. A strong economy allows people to thrive rather than just survive. The presence of diverse industries, ranging from technology to finance and creative sectors, ensures that people from different backgrounds can find a meaningful employment. Next is they provide basic services including safe water and sanitation. To maintain safe and clean public health is the access to clean water and sanitation. Global cities invested in water purification and wastewater treatment plant to prevent diseases. Proper sanitation facilities including waste management and effective waste disposal. This way, it helps to reduce the spreading of bacteria and diseases and ensure the safety of residents with hygiene practices. Basic sanitary services like water have a significant impact on enhancing the standard of living of global cities. A global city must be free from discriminatory practices regardless of gender, race, religion, or socioeconomic status. All residents should have equal opportunities and rights. These practices contributes to the livability of one country. A city like Tokyo in Japan implements a law that supports equal employment opportunities, providing equal pay for equal work and equal treatment to men and women, especially when they do a similar work. This attracts people from all over the world to migrate to find opportunities in the global cities. Quality education and healthcare are one of the important factors of livable global cities. Access to quality education ensures that every student gain the knowledge and skills needed to enhance the economy. Access to quality healthcare ensures that individuals can receive effective medical care, leading to better health outcomes and longer life expectancy. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of strong healthcare systems in maintaining city resilience. Cities with advanced healthcare systems were better equipped to manage the crisis, provide vaccinations, and ensure public safety. These services improve the well-being of individuals and contribute to cities' long-term success by ensuring a skilled and healthy population. Global cities implement policies that protect tenants and homeowners from forced evictions due to economic hardships, redevelopment projects, or legal loopholes. These global cities have policies and laws about housing programs, ensuring the residents have access to affordable and stable living conditions so that they can focus on their other aspects of life. Housing affordability remains challenged in many global cities, but innovative solutions such as rent control policies, affordable housing programs, and community-led housing initiatives can help address these issues. And government must ensure that the housing programs remain affordable for all income levels. Proper urban planning reduce crime rates and strict environmental policies help maintain air and water quality. Green spaces, efficient wage management, and sustainable transportation also contribute to a healthier urban life. The primary reason global cities are livable is because they embrace democratic governance that includes citizen participations. Global cities implement frameworks that prioritize accountability and transparency, such as Tokyo. They have adopted smart governance practices that utilize technologies to improve communication between governments and residents. And the next is Japanese Mori Foundation's Global City Power Index, and their 6 key criteria. First is their economy. Tokyo ranked third in Mori Foundation's Global City Power Index in 2024, maintaining its status as a leading global city. One of the main reasons why Tokyo's high rank in 2024 is because of its economic power. Japan developed highly diverse manufacturing service, and they are one of the most largest producers of high-technology manufactured goods. With world-class universities, research institutions, and technological advancements, Tokyo is one of the leaders in research and development. Japan also high ranking in the Nobel Prize winning and is a global center for innovation in robotics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. Like the Tokyo International Film Festival, this event honored and celebrated by all filmmakers around the world. The major art exhibitions such as Mori Art Museum, the acquisition of contemporary artworks primarily from Japan and the Asia-Pacific region. This reinforced its cultural influence. A city rich in cultural interaction becomes a vibrant and inclusive place, welcoming people from different backgrounds. Japan also has a high standard of living, safety, and public services for its residents. They are considered one of the lowest crime rates globally, making them rank 9 in GPCI. With their effective law enforcement, gun strict control, and organized and efficient justice system, Japan residents have a well-balanced lifestyle facilitated by the public safety protocols, clean urban areas, and easy access to entertainment and cultural events. Cities that high score in livability attract skilled professionals and families, ensuring long-term stability and growth. High standards also improve social well-being and productivity. Tokyo has made significant efforts to promote a sustainable environment. They implement smart energy solutions, green building initiatives, and pollution control measures to enhance its environmental performance. Tokyo invested in environmental sustainability not only to enhance their livability but also to contribute to global efforts in combating climate change, such as solar panel subsidies and their eco-friendly transportations that help reduce gas emission. And lastly, accessibility plays a crucial role in global cities, as it ensures the high quality living in every individual in the city. This includes economic growth, access to many opportunities and services, and sustainable urban environments. Tokyo offers the most accessibility, especially in the public transportations. And that's all. Thank you.